Hey there, today's video is how to pack outfits for a trip. These are my travel tips for a vacation in the fall or the winter. Based on a packing list, I will show you how I organize my travel outfits for fall in a carry-on suitcase. Sometimes I roll my shirts and then sometimes I fold my outfit pieces. When you're ready to plan your travel outfits, my steps will show the types of clothes that will pack most easily. My travel wardrobe is a casual chic. I don't like to look or feel dressy. I like a more casual look that can be dressy when I'm traveling. The number one step is to fold or use the rolling method when you pack in a carry-on suitcase. For me, the folding method is faster. When you do use a method or a packing routine, you are going to fill that suitcase more efficiently. You're going to be more organized, but you're also going to only pack what you really need to pack. Before you travel anywhere, you're going to check the weather and the activities you're going to do on that vacation, and that way you can know which clothes to pack. When you walk into your closet, you're going to know the types of clothes that will fit that packing list and then your carry-on suitcase. Step number two is to only pack the essential clothes that you will need on your vacation. When I'm planning my packing list for a fall trip, most of my activities are indoor, but the temperatures outside might be cool or cold. We need to be protected from the elements, so we might need to pack correct shoes or be prepared for rain in the in-between seasons. If you need a really small travel umbrella, I finally found one on Amazon. I will link for you. It fits in the palm of your hand. A travel hack is to pack your umbrella in a gallon bag, and when you fly home, if it got wet, you will pack it and the rest of your clothes will not get wet. Here are the activities that I pack my clothes for. Touring a city, walking to a restaurant, leaf peeping on the side of the road. If you run out of the car, take a picture and then jump back in because it's too cold. Going out for coffee in the morning, hanging out on the back patio, or keeping everyone's essentials totally safe inside the resort lodge in front of a fireplace. Welcome to my channel. I am a Houston pilot wife and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. Click the bell beside subscribe and you'll never miss one of my videos. Thank you to all of you who've helped me reach 100,000 subscribers. I remember when it took 2 years to even reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'm very thankful for all of you in my travel community. Now, when we travel in the fall or winter, we have to be prepared for rain. We may need to pack shoes that are waterproof or water resistant. I wore these in Vermont because there was a huge chance of rain and it was totally sunny that day. But you can see the rugged sole underneath. It can be worn along cobblestone roads and in gravel and in winter or in the fall because it's waterproof. And these are the Blondo brand. I'll link them below. They're under $60 this weekend and they were well over $100 full price. And these are just my sneakers, but they're the Echo brand. They have an arch support and very supportive and they're water resistant. I mean, I wore them in Boston and got poured on for about 30 minutes. No one in Boston has awnings, so there was nowhere to escape when we were trying to find some restaurant my husband wanted to take to. But Echo also makes sneakers if that's more of your style. The reason I bought these boots for travel in the fall or winter is because I can wear them with blue jeans, or at night I can wear them with black denim and it will pass as a nice restaurant outfit. For my packing essentials, I think of 3 features that must be in my clothes. Your outfits must be thin layers, coordinate with other clothes, and be necessary for this vacation destination. Step number 3 is to only pack thin layers. Here are some thin layer ideas for your travel wardrobe. Cashmere is a wonderful choice. Merino wool is another wonderful choice. They're thin, but they keep the heat in your body. J. Crew makes this one. They're 30% off right now, but they also make a long sleeve version. I love the oatmeal color. I almost got it, but I went ahead with this pink one. But you are allowed to pack a bulky sweater if you really want to take that on your vacation. I was able to pack this peach sweater. It's a mock turtleneck. I was able to pack this in a really small packing cube one time when I wore it in the airport. It wasn't even cold or fall, but I wanted to wear it because I bought it this summer. So I packed it in this little compression packing cube, and so there was room for it in my carry-on bags. If it's not quite cold, you can find like fall colored shirts that will mix and match with a blue cardigan if you want to throw in a cardigan. Navy blue cardigans can be mixed and matched or coordinated with other outfit pieces. I like packing denim that is thin and it's stretchy. These are the Wit and Wisdom jeans, and there's something about the waistband that it pulls your tummy in, and that's my problem area. But a travel tip, if you are choosing jeans for the fall or the winter, check in your mirror how they look with your boots or your shoes that you're going to wear on vacation. These, I need the regular length in the black and the blue, but they also come in ankle length. So I'm 5'8". If you're short, then you would want to choose the ankle jeans, and they are true to size. Another thin layer that you can wear is gingham under a sweatshirt, but a travel tip for packing fall and winter clothes is do not pack a thick sweatshirt. Pack thin ones, and they are out there. You just have to look. This is an old one from Talbot's. A thin fleece is another layer that you can put on top of a long sleeve t-shirt or a short sleeve t-shirt. This is an old Columbia one that my husband had. It's an extra large. Ollie, are you okay? You're going to take a nap? Okay. They're very easy to fold or roll up, and just put this fleece in the bottom of your backpack or your personal item bag for the airplane, and then coordinated with some travel outfits. Do not forget to pack a loungewear type piece of clothing or a hanging out on the back deck kind of clothing. I just got this thin t-shirt. I love how it fits. It's the Club Monaco brand. It has kind of a ribbed look to it, so it is casual, but I can wear it underneath things. I can wear it as a monochromatic look with my black jeans and black boots to a nice restaurant and look pulled together by adding a scarf or a necklace. You can also pack a plaid shirt. I like thin layers that I can wear on their own, or I can put a t-shirt underneath or a layer on top. I bought 2 of the same sweaters this summer and wore them or packed them both for fall because they look casual because of the ribbed fabric on the middle part, and then the sleeves have this blousey look to them that can make them look a little dressy, but I don't feel dressy wearing them. And I can wear them with casual boots, really cute boots. They're so comfortable. And they have a little Texas flair right there. So they can look casual, and then at night I can wear them still, or I can wear them with cowboy boots. I fold these lengthwise and then I fold them down twice. And that way when I pack them inside a compression packing cube, they can both go on the same layer or the same floor if you're thinking about an apartment building. They don't add bulk because they're both going to be thin layers and folded in the same exact way, and therefore you're going to still maximize the space that you do have in your carry-on suitcase or your packing cube where you're packing. In the winter, I tend to pack one-piece sweaters that I can just put a down jacket on if I'm going out to tour that night. Sometimes I like a bulkier sweater. I took this to Vermont as well. It's a good sweater that goes over a tank top or a t-shirt because it has a crew neck in the style. But when I pack it, it's easy to pack because it's not super, super thick. I want the army green color of this sweater so bad. It's terrible in pictures, terrible. If the weather is warm where you are, I do have a video on how to pack for winter when it is warm, or how to pack for the beach when it is winter at your home. Step number 4 is to pack the layers together. So I lay out my sweaters or my outerwear pieces that I want to pack for my vacation activities, and then I look at my t-shirts that can go under those layers. I'm going to pack those t-shirts together with that kind of outerwear piece if it needs to have that layer. I will pack a belt if I wear like my plaid shirt or this black sleeve, long sleeve t-shirt, because that shirt can be worn on its own. A belt just kind of helps it pull it together and pull in my stomach after I've had a little bit too much Vermont maple syrup. Don't forget about my exercise t-shirts that do not look like exercise t-shirts. I wear these, especially the black one, a lot when I'm traveling because it's so hot here in Houston still, and I'll wear it with my black jeans and maybe my cowboy boots, and it will be an outfit, and therefore I have on my thickest shoe or my bulkiest shoe in the airplane and not in my carry-on suitcase. I also have these boots that I like to travel with and cannot wait to wear them more often, but they are considered over the knee. And one travel tip for over the knee boots, especially these, is to buy ones that can be folded down if you want to fold it down, especially when you're sitting in an airplane seat. It might give you a little bit more flexibility. But I have also found that this cognac color, a dark cognac color, is hard to match multiple outfits with. Like it looks great with the navy blue color. Oh my goodness, so good. You do not ever want to wear an outfit piece on your vacation only once. You want your outfits to coordinate with each other, to mix and match, if that makes more sense. If you are traveling with a winter down coat, you want to pack that inside the outer flap of your carry-on suitcase. You can also try your best to roll it down. It does not say that coats are packable sometimes, but sometimes down ones are just naturally. You can pack them in a gallon bag even. I bought this one in September because I wanted to wear this in the subway or when I go to Europe at some point next year. It has these straps that let you wear them on your shoulders because when it is stagnant inside a subway train, you want to take off that coat and it sometimes doesn't tie easily around your waist. So I love this one. My travel tip, if you have not chosen compression packing cubes yet, they compress the air between your clothes, but the travel tip is to buy a brand or a set that has different size ones. I bought this one because it had the two large pieces. When compressed, these packing cubes both take up the very bottom of this carry-on suitcase for as far as length, and then I can pack other things on top of them. When I needed to pack that really thick sweater, I was able to use one of the smaller cubes that is in the set, so you get more bang for your buck. If you check your luggage, there are compression cubes for checked luggage, and that would help you pack even more. You can use this same step to pack clothes without packing cubes. Just stack them in your carry-on suitcase. One way to pack your travel outfits is to fold most of your clothes that will coordinate with your blue denim and pack those all in one compression cube. Pack them, fold them down so that you can have multiple shirts on each layer that you're stacking inside here. If there is any extra space, you're going to roll your clothes. Now, I would just test yourself with your phone. Time how long it takes you to fold 3 shirts. Then time how long it takes you to roll 3 shirts. And then you're going to see which one's faster, but then you're also going to try packing your rolled ones in a cube and then packing your folded ones in a cube and just see which ones you prefer. I just like to fold because I'm not thinking. I can just do that while listening to music or a podcast, and I know they're going to fit because I've packed efficiently. When you pack your clothes, then look at the shoes. A travel tip for your shoes is to know that you do not have to pack your shoes together. I will usually pack 3 across my outside flap of my carry-on suitcase and then 1 inside the base of the suitcase. If you don't know, my travel tip for shoes is only pack 2 pairs of shoes, unless you're going to the beach, and then you can throw in some more flip-flops. And then wear your bulkiest shoes inside the airplane. If you need a travel tip video about what not to wear inside the airplane, I will link that video up in the iCards and in the description box below for you. Then all you do is pack your curling iron, your toiletries, your pajamas and undies and socks in another packing cube or in a gallon bag or in all the empty pockets of space that you now have, and then you are set for vacation. Using this system of choosing thin layers for fall or winter trips, you have your travel outfits. You only packed what clothes you needed. The outfits coordinate with each other. The clothes are comfortable for daytime activities as well as in a nice restaurant. And you are protected from the outdoor elements depending on whatever weather you will face that day. If you want to see where I bought any of these outfit pieces or essentials for fall or winter trips, I will link those in the description box below. You just get there by clicking the upside down triangle or show more, and it will take you to the exact link. I'm also on Like to Know It. It's a free app that a lot of people shop for clothes, especially if you're going through Instagram. And I'm also on Instagram, Travel Tips by Laurie. Anyway, it's time to make your packing list so you can get away and have a great vacation. I thank you for your time, and I really appreciate it. Say hey if we haven't met yet.